First on our list is the classic Southern fried chicken. Begin by marinating 3 pounds of chicken pieces in 2 cups of buttermilk for at least 2 hours. For the coating, mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a teaspoon of paprika, salt, and black pepper each. Coat each piece thoroughly before frying in oil at 350 degrees until golden brown. Next, we're making cornbread. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Mix 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of white sugar. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, pour into a greased pan, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Our third dish is collard greens. Begin by cooking 4 slices of bacon until crispy. Remove the bacon but leave the drippings. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the drippings, cooking until the onion is translucent. Add 2 pounds of chopped collard greens, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Cook until the greens are tender. The fourth dish is biscuits and gravy. For the biscuits, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Cut in half a cup of cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Stir in 3/4 cup of milk until just moistened. Roll out the dough, cut out biscuits, and bake at 450 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. For the gravy, cook half a pound of sausage, then stir in 3 tablespoons of flour, 1½ cups of milk, and season to taste. Cook until thickened. Next up, shrimp and grits. Cook 1 pound of shrimp in a pan with 2 tablespoons of butter and set aside. Cook half a chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and half a chopped bell pepper in the same pan. Add 2 cups of chicken broth and bring to a boil. Stir in 1 cup of grits and reduce heat to low. Cook until the grits are creamy. Serve the shrimp over the grits. For our sixth dish, we're making hush puppies. Combine 1½ cups of cornmeal, half a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. In another bowl, whisk 1 egg, 1 cup of buttermilk, and half an onion, finely chopped. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, then drop spoonfuls into hot oil and fry until golden brown. Our seventh dish is gumbo. In a large pot, cook half a pound of sausage and set aside. In the same pot, cook half a chopped onion, 2 chopped celery stalks, and 1 chopped bell pepper until the vegetables are tender. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 pound of okra, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 4 cups of chicken broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 45 minutes. Add the sausage and 1 pound of shrimp, cooking until the shrimp are pink. Next, we're making red beans and rice. In a large pot, cook 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped bell pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic until the onion is translucent. Add 2 cans of kidney beans, 1 pound of cooked andouille sausage, 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning, and 3 cups of chicken broth. Simmer for 2 hours. Serve over cooked rice. Our penultimate dish is pecan pie. Combine 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, half a cup of melted butter, and 3 eggs. Stir in 1 cup of chopped pecans and pour into a pie crust. Bake at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. Finally, we're making sweet tea. Boil 4 cups of water and steep 6 tea bags for 15 minutes. Remove the tea bags and add 1 cup of sugar, stirring until dissolved. Add 6 cups of cold water and refrigerate until chilled.